what's going on in here. Part 1, Audi 2.8 to 2.7T, full drivetrain swap. And I can show you the problem with this one. The problem with this one is that my timing belt is a little rough around the edges, but this one has no turbo, and that one is gonna have one turbo. I don't know why they put so many bolts on these, but I'm gonna use the headers from this bad boy so I can bolt up a Chinese single turbo.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
And make way more power. Oh, it looks mint in there. Let's take a peek in here. Oh, there's not even that much carbon buildup. We're so chill. We just gotta sell these or something. I don't know. This guy doesn't know how to do an oil change. I don't know, he's silly. I don't want to get my tools dirty. That's actually hilarious. Valve covers off. Cam tensioner and cam chain are mint in here. They're looking great. There's a little bit of rust in cylinder 3. A little bit of rust. It ain't that deep though, because it's not in the engine. But pop off the other side, make sure it looks mint. Last night, full front end is off. Watch this. So dropped my energy drink and there's a hole in it. Which only means one thing. Questionable shotgun because
It's not a shotgun, you didn't crack
I think I cut my lip. I did crack it.
Did you crack the top?
There's air in there.
Did you crack your
Sing a little bit.
They're gonna think you're kind of a...
This is not Cindy.
Door's locked.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Good job, bro.
What's wrong with it? Too cold? This is John.
Hi.
He's in all of my clothes. His whole outfit is mine.
I don't own anything but sweatshirts and
Stolen valor, stolen valor.
Stolen valor. Yeah, true.
Yeah, bro, just give up. Going to pick up Jack Helke. Open sesame. Yeah, he owns a place in the gated community.
Yeah, I'm in a gated community. This is our metal cave.
It's our clubhouse.
Looks to be still locked. I mean, I let John lock it last time we were here, which was 2 days ago. Ooh. We hit the re-up. We got ourselves ADHD meds that are prescribed to me from Walgreens. And this lady cut me in line.
Yeah, who cares, bro? Also, all this trash gotta go.
Dude, all the trash gotta go in the storage. This is the location.
We're at the storage unit.
We're at a storage unit location. Pull up, those who know. Pull up if you know how to tune a single turbo A4. Please. This is my part out. Custom X-pipe exhaust, mint, no exhaust leaks. No exhaust leaks at all.
The rest of the exhaust.
$700. I know what I have. Camera, me now. Drive shaft, 10,000 miles OEM, barely used, 7 grand OBO. Those who know. We got the 01A that's in here right now. The 01A, the transmission, 5-speed, lightly driven, never clutch kicked. 2.6K OBO. Those who know. We got like CV axle, 700 each. Seized one I'll give to you for 6. Just needs a full rebuild. Low key, that's the broken AC compressor because it didn't come off, so I hit it with a hammer. You can have that one for free if you pull that.
You know where. These are the rear differentials. This is the old one. This is the new one. It's limited slip. And I mean, they look about the same, but this is a little bit bigger on the new one versus the old one. And the old one's very greasy. Basically.
Differential. Which one's new, which one's old? I don't know. We'll just put one of them in the car and hope it works.
And there's the drive shaft.
Fade this drive shaft. 24 Pekka Monsters, OBO. I know what I have. Just locked in.
Pulled the plug out on this one. Ooh, a very nice coloring that we got there. This is the old one.
Come closer. As you can see here, I have a fresh block, never used, barely any grime buildup.
This is the new engine, by the way.
Old engine might be worse. I mean, let's just walk with me. I mean, even if this thing was running, mint.
Should be.
Oh, wait, let's get
down in there.
Let's get a reveal.
Oh, it's right there. This one's better. That's the part that was really bad on the other engine. It's not that bad on this one.
You know what's bad on this one? Here, watch. Which ones did we not pull when we checked it?
Pulled all of them.
No, we didn't. Oh,
Yes,
we did.
Yeah, that's supposed to be there.
It's my, these are my coil packs. We shot like 5 for 6 coated in oil. See? Wait, we're not done yet. Game ain't finished. Game ain't finished.
Not too bad.
The spark plug just came out.
Back in there.
But, this thing's definitely like just gone. There's no point to even like attempt to save this thing.
Oh, that's supposed to be not loose.
Oh, what? What in?
I think it's supposed to be in a loop.
Yo, who unbelted my belt though? That's real quick. It's not gonna pull out, bro. You're not spinning the crank with that. Lock it.
It's the other end of it.
No, but if we take a peek back here, where the oil problems seem to be, it seems like my tensioner valve cover gasket's fried. My cam chain tensioner, that gasket's fried. This engine's low key just fried. Now that I really think about it. I mean, if we just take a peeker here.
The belt is fried.
Do you think she spins over?
Try it.